Updating your billing address on DoorDash DashPass is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the top corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update billing address. Find the section for your billing address. Tap on it to edit your current address. Enter your new billing address details and ensure they're accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing address, look for a Save or Confirm button. Tap it to save your changes and make sure the new address is applied to your account. Now your billing address is updated, and you can continue enjoying your DoorDash DashPass benefits.